Hi, Tim Biggin for Delta Derivatives, Option Hedges and Edges. Taking a look at a market that has a little bit of trouble breaking out to the upside here. We're right at those kind of highs of the S&P, struggling to get past those, I think, given the fact valuations are getting stretched. Also seeing companies start to tool down expectations. I really think we're probably due for a pullback somewhere along the way here. As always, timing unknown, so I'm buying at the money December S&P 500 puts, selling shorter term October S&P 500 puts to help defray that, doing a put diagonal. I like the fact that the VIX is still hovering around that 12 level, so I'm long vol and taking a somewhat short bearish approach to the market. Otherwise, seeing big time repeat call buying on Adams Pharmaceutical, ADMP. We're a big call buyer yesterday, bought about 4,500 of the OC5 calls. Stock was about 320. Today came in with even more buying, so the implied vol approaching, believe it or not, 300 here. Those out of the money calls up more than the stock over the past 2 days, so I'm jumping in, but hedging myself. I'm buying the shares, selling twice as many of those very expensive OC5 calls, still leaning bullishly, but looking as well to capture that big jump in implied volatility. Otherwise, we'll see what happens with the Fed meeting. Don't expect much fireworks. Probably more important what happens with those dot plots, kind of the look forward viewpoint by the Fed governors, and even there, I think, kind of a non-event. So we'll see what happens as we move closer and closer to the midterms, which could be a catalyst for some more volatility in the market. So until next time, as always, here's a good trading. Take care.